to give thanks to the Lord, to make music to your name, to proclaim your love in the morning and your truth throughout the night. Lord, it is good to give you thanks. Lord, it is good to give you thanks. The just shall flourish like a palm tree and grow like a Lebanon cedar, planted in the house of the Lord. They will flourish in God's time. Lord, it is good to give you thanks. Lord, it is good to give you thanks. They shall bear fruit when they are old, still full of sap, still green, to proclaim that the Lord's love is steadfast. In God my rock is the rock. Lord, it is good to